Citizen scientists, welcome to Operation Mosquito Grid.
It's time to analyze your egg papers. In science, all results are valuable data. Whether you find eggs or not, the results can provide clues about your local microclimate, aka your property, and its attractiveness to mosquitoes during the time the data was collected.
Here are some tips for a successful microscope analysis. First, you need to know what you're looking for. So what do Aedes eggs look like? They're very small and hard to see. Under magnification, Aedes eggs are very shiny, small, and black grains of rice. Multiple Aedes eggs are also often laid in a line, but don't be fooled. Some particles can look like eggs but are not, but we'll show you how to tell the difference.
Start off with opening your bag and removing the paper from the egg cup. Place the paper with the black line facing up. This is a sign where mosquitoes might have laid their eggs.
Scan the paper for any black dots, preferably with a hand lens if possible. Use a pencil or pen to circle any suspected eggs to make your microscope work easier. Be careful not to scrape the surface of the paper. The eggs are easily knocked off.
Turn on your microscope and set it to the lowest power. Place the top left corner of the paper under the microscope and scan slowly from left to right. If you circled any suspected eggs, check those first. Then scan the rest of the paper for any you may have missed. Tip: pin the paper down by the edges to flatten the paper against the microscope stage to make focusing easier. Once you see a suspected egg, zoom in.
Does it look like a tiny, shiny black grain of rice that's tapered smoothly on each end? If so, that's an Aedes mosquito egg. If it has rough edges or an irregular shape, it may be a piece of debris. However, eggs can change shape when they hatch or have been crushed. The super shiny black shell will be the clue if the egg has been damaged or has been hatched.
Be sure to take a photo of the egg or suspected egg or no egg-like object. If no egg-like object was found, take a photo of anything else that might be interesting on the paper. Only images taken under magnification are acceptable for posting. Don't submit a picture of the paper that isn't magnified. Eggs are too small to confirm without magnification.